Hi kids, let's read short English sentences for kids. Don't argue. Use your napkin. Dry your hairs. Stop teasing. Look at this. Don't be late. Hold your cup. Put on your hat. Put on your socks. Brush your teeth. Stop jumping. Wash your hands. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Good morning. How are you? Let's play outside. Share with your friends. Be kind to others. It's snack time. Come here. Clean up your toys. I am sorry. Take a bite. Do you need anything? Take your medicine. Keep quiet. Don't hit.